Hi again, everyone, and welcome to the Reinhardt's Rundown. As one of my beloved professors used to say, have you ever heard of the drug Digoxin? Today we're summarizing Digoxin pharmacology, specifically in how it makes the heart beat with more force. And later we'll follow in coming videos with things that can cause Digoxin toxicity. First things first, how does it actually work? Digoxin works by binding to and inhibiting the sodium-potassium ATPase pump. Wait, what does that mean? Let's take a look. On the screen, you'll notice that you have two pumps, both of which move electrolytes in and out of the cell. At the top is extracellular, and at the bottom is intracellular space. Now on the left, you have the sodium-potassium ATPase pump, where potassium is exchanged for sodium. For each potassium coming in, a sodium goes out, at least until Digoxin is on board. Digoxin comes in and inhibits that pump from working. When that pump is stopped, the amount of sodium inside the cell goes up. Now normally you have this other pump, which is on the right, called the sodium-calcium exchange pump. This pump helps to ensure that the right amount of sodium and calcium is available in the blood and allows for the heart to contract and pump normally. Notice here that as the sodium level inside the cell goes up, the sodium-calcium pump says, wait a minute, I don't need any more sodium in here, and that pump stops shifting calcium out. As we have the increase in calcium inside the cell, this leads to the troponin complex binding, which activates muscle contraction. The more calcium, the stronger that force of contraction. Hopefully that was helpful. Lots more coming on Digoxin, cardiac medications, and most of it is a lot easier to understand than that. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time. That's the Reinhardt's Rundown.